Greetings, my 12 followers and those who did not subscribe yet. Hope you fix it soon. Today I will reveal the top 4 game-changing detailing tools for beginners. If you are not using any of these tools, adding them to your detailing routine will be like moving from making love by yourself to making love with a woman. So, get ready and let's start.
Welcome to Hold My Beer Detailing.
The first tool is high-quality microfiber towels. And I'm talking about upgrading all your towels, drying towels, glass towels, microfiber for the interior, and buffing towels. Upgrading your cheap towel to a high-quality microfiber will be a game changer for you. It lets you dry your car faster, and I mean 10 times faster, minimize leaving scratches on your paint, transforming cleaning of car glass from torture to an enjoyable process without leaving streaks. If you don't trust me, try to dry your car out at least once with a good towel, and on the next day, all your old towels will go to the trash. Microfiber towels can vary by their blend, GSM, and pile length. Each parameter affects the result of your detailing job. Let's go through each of them. Blend. Car microfiber is made of a blend of polyester and polyamide. The more polyamide you have in the blend, the better your towel is. The best blend of microfiber to avoid scratches, even on soft car paint, is 70-30, where 70 is polyester and 30 is polyamide. 70-30 microfiber can allow you even to wash your car without a hose. Feel free to use 80-20 for general cleaning, for example, on door panels, dashboard, fabrics, exterior, interior, plastic, and trim. You can use cheap 100% polyester towels as well, but mainly for some heavy-duty work on not delicate surfaces. GSM, grams per square meter, in simple words, is how much liquid your towel can absorb. This one is simple. 250 to 500 GSM is good for interior detailing and buffing. 500 GSM and more for drying towels. Pile height. It's important to have suitable pile height for the detailing job you are going to perform. Ultra-low pile is used for multimedia screens. Low pile for removal of waxes. Medium is best for general cleaning. High pile is good for drying. Waffle towels are mainly for glass cleaning, but can be used for drying a car. Second tool is brush. It includes all brushes, both for interior and exterior. Using brushes is important as, for example, wheel cleaning without brushes, but with expensive chemicals is less effective than cleaning with brushes and cheap chemicals. Choosing detailing brushes. For the perfect brushes setup, you need 2 brushes sets. First, you need 3 wheel brushes. Perfect set includes big brush for wheels and exterior plastic, brush to clean between and behind wheel spikes, and tire brush. Second brush set is for the interior. You need brushes for plastic and hard reaching areas, brush for leather, and hard bristle brush for upholstery. Proper wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Owning a good vacuum cleaner built for working in aggressive conditions will save you a lot of time and replace many detailing tools. For personal usage, Karcher WD2 or WD3 is a great budget option that I have been using for a long time. For example, it can help you to clean car carpet without spending money on professional detailing services. And last but not least tool is pet hairbrush. This small thing will significantly impact your upholstery cleaning results, even if you don't drive pets in your car. Choose rubber or silicone brushes rather than metal brushes to make cleaning effective and safe. And these are all tools I wanted to share. Hope this video helps you build your ideal detailing arsenal and improve your car's clean look. More info on our website find in the description below, and share your favorite tools in the comments. Happy detailing, folks!